Snuggle chickens.
Yeah, they like the body heat.
There's smoke. They got the whole yard to run around in, and yet here they are just snuggling.
Warming up their feet.
Oh,
You guys are rude. I didn't move a muscle. It's all you.
who's a snuggle chicken?
Liza just wants to roost. She don't do all the fault or all.
Who's your favorite human, girls? We know.
God, they're warm.
They're pretty happy just sitting on their mama's lap. What they
Chilling
think is their
away.
mama. Guys are pretty cute.
I did.
Can take a little nap now that you've been
Yeah.
running around.
Found a warm spot.
Pretty nice day, you guys.
All three of them are going to nod out. Except for this just really ain't that comfortable of a position for me. It isn't like I can have a
You're the
little
mother
nap.
hen. You just sit there and take it.
Well, if I just laid down, then they'd probably just lay on top of me.
Probably.
But then I could have a little nap.
The sacrifices a mother hen has to make.
Yeah. Turn me
Just
into a broody hen. But that's all multiple layers of feathers there now. But I don't know if it works at this age. They just look like they got a bunch of feathers. Yeah, I wouldn't jump in there, you dork.
good little chickies.
No, they're definitely hand raised.
Yeah, these are definitely domesticated chickens. See you guys later.
Human.